2019. Classes are finishing up, and the final push to summertime is impending. However, one boy sits confused out of his mind in his room, contemplating the big picture questions of why he took the HSC trigonometry course, like, why am I here? Where am I ever going to use the unit circle in life? And of course, SOHCAHTOA, more like SOHCA stupid. But little did this boy know how his perception of math would change this very day.
I don't know what I'm gonna do. The HSC trigonometry course is straight buns. I'm gonna do terrible at the final. I don't even know the unit circle. Mom?
What's the matter, son?
Mom, it's struggling, man.
You know, I use the unit circle every day of my life.
Shut up, Mom. You don't even know anything. Wait, you serious?
Are you kidding me? Nah, I yoted on Trig back in my days.
Darno Blarno, Mom. I knew you didn't know it. I just need an epiphany. I need to get this unit circle ingrained in my head.
Hey, Vsauce, Mikhail here. Do you want to play with my toys?
Michael, what are you doing here, man? What are your toys at?
My toys!
So does that mean to tell me that you know something about Trig?
Yes. Grab my fingers.
Whoa, dude, what? Take a seat.
What I'm doing right here now is drawing. And when I'm completed, what I have completed is a drawing.
Sorry, Mr. Mikhail, you're just really confusing me more now.
Let me break it down for you.
Okay.
This is the unit circle, made up of a conglomerate of triangles, each hypotenuse representing a radius, all of them being the same length because
A circle is a figure where all distances from the center are equal.
nice job, bud! Now from here, we can see that each radius extends to the edge of the circle in points. As we move around the circle in a counterclockwise direction, we're seeing these reoccurring points from the triangles within.
But they're all like different angle measures though, right? But then
Yes.
each point? So then like, what is that first one? The one that's up top?
So first we go up to 90, and then you continue on to 180, 270, and back to 360.
Man, you just really know your stuff, Mr. Mikhail. So, since we were talking about like, you know, this one section, or I guess one huge right triangle, what are those angles in between then?
So basically, it splits up the circle. So let's go from the half circle first. So you can split up, look at the 45. Well, no, first of all, let's look at the 60. Let's go big.
Okay.
So 60 degrees, 120, 180, it's like thirds.
Yeah.
1/3, 2/3, 3/3. Let's go a little smaller. 45 degrees,
Yeah.
1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4.
Cool.
Right?
Yeah.
But there's even more. Ooh. Let's go 30 degrees, 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, 4/6,
4/6, 5/6,
6/6,
6/6.
which is 1, aka pi.
So then, we should probably break down those pies then, right?
Precisely.
So I don't know, I guess it's just not fully sinking in yet. Here.
Now if that's not sinking in for you, think of these comparisons that we did as radians. Radians are like those fractions we did, but with pi in the numerator. So pi over 3, 2 pi over 3, pi over 4, 2 pi over 4.
Which can reduce down to like pi over 2.
2 pi over 2.
Dude, you're just making me perpetually zonked, man.
Don't worry. We found a nifty equation to convert degrees into radians.
Well, you could have told me. Dude, how are you teleporting like this? This isn't even in my own car.
Well, I am God's reincarnate, so. Just kidding.
Okay.
But where? On my fingers.
Right there. No, dude. No. There's no way. Hey, what are you doing? Michael, I'm coming. What's going on? What was that about?
Watch this. See this ball?
Yeah.
It's almost like a unit circle, but 3 dimensions.
So it's like a sphere, like a ball, right?
To an extent.
You got it.
Oh. Come here. See that?
Yeah.
The rim is almost like a unit circle.
Especially from our point of view, I can see that.
Yeah, exactly.
Hey.
Look at the sky. See that?
Pizza time!
Oh, I see it.
The sun and the moon. They're like unit circles.
Yeah,
From our point of view.
Wow, dude. I just never thought trig fundamentals were so consistent in my daily environment.
It's okay. We all had that stage in our life.
So if I know how to find angle measures in degrees and radians along the unit circle, what happens if I want to find a specific point, you know?
Follow me. Touch this. Give me a second. What's you cooking?
Oh, just the usual. Tortillas, grapes, donut.
To answer your question, let's start with this donut. This is the pole, aka the center of the circle. So say we want to find this point. We take our polar graph and we line up the graph with the center of the circle. And then you find the radiance angle to the point, which looks like about pi over 3. And then, in order to extend the smaller circle to reach the point, you add rings. So there's 6 rings now. 1, 2, 3. The radius is about 9. What about this grape?
Let me try.
You got this. We'll cut off work. You know what? That's okay. That was more of a ellipse with like 2 foci, so it's no big deal.
Okay.
I hope I can take this onto your final and smash that.
Yeah, I really hope so too. You've taught me a lot today, Mr. Vsauce, man, and I'm just glad you've been there. Yeah! Mom, I got this test down in the books.
Are you gonna make sure to study the other stuff?
That's for babies. There you go. Oh, nice. Crikey.